Did you know that there's a green that packs more nutrients than kale and spinach combined? Watercress is a leafy green vegetable with an incredible nutritional profile. It is one of the healthiest foods you can eat and can be considered the king of greens. It is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. The nutrients in watercress can significantly improve and boost your health. Watercress has a slightly peppery taste and is very versatile. You can eat it raw in salads. You can also enjoy it cooked. Add it to soups, sandwiches, and smoothies. Want to boost your health? Keep watching to discover the power of watercress. If you enjoy learning about the king of greens and healthy, holistic nutrition, don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and superfood secrets. Turn on the bell notification so you can be alerted as new videos are posted. Watercress is low in calories, making it an excellent addition to any diet for those looking to maintain or lose weight. Despite its low-calorie content, it is packed with essential nutrients that contribute to overall health and well-being. 1 cup of watercress has only 4 calories, yet it provides a significant amount of vitamins and minerals. This makes it a nutrient-dense food, meaning you get a lot of nutritional value for very few calories. It is a good source of many nutrients. These include vitamins and minerals that are essential for maintaining good health. Let's take a closer look at some of the key nutrients found in watercress. Vitamin K, which is important for blood clotting and bone health. Just 1 cup of watercress provides over 100% of the recommended daily intake of vitamin K, making it an excellent source of this vital nutrient. Vitamin C, an antioxidant that supports the immune system. It helps protect the body against free radicals, which can cause damage to cells. Vitamin C also aids in the absorption of iron from plant-based foods, enhancing overall nutrient intake. Vitamin A, essential for vision, skin health, and cell growth. Watercress contains beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. This nutrient is crucial for maintaining healthy vision and promoting skin health. Folate, crucial for cell division and DNA synthesis. Folate is especially important for pregnant women as it supports the healthy development of the fetus. Including watercress in your diet can help ensure you get enough of this important nutrient. Watercress contains calcium, necessary for strong bones and teeth. Calcium is essential for maintaining bone density and preventing osteoporosis. Watercress also contains nitrates, which have been shown to have various health benefits. Nitrates can improve blood flow. They are converted into nitric oxide in the body, which helps relax and widen blood vessels, improving circulation and reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. They can also lower blood pressure. By improving the elasticity of blood vessels, nitrates help maintain healthy blood pressure levels, reducing the strain on the heart and lowering the risk of hypertension. Stay tuned to learn more about the amazing benefits of watercress. This humble leafy green is truly a nutritional powerhouse, offering a wide range of health benefits that can enhance your overall well-being. Watercress offers numerous health benefits. Its high antioxidant content helps protect against chronic diseases. These diseases include heart disease and cancer. Watercress can help lower blood pressure. It can also reduce bad cholesterol levels. These benefits contribute to a healthy heart. The vitamin K in watercress supports bone health. It helps prevent osteoporosis. Watercress also contains compounds that may have anti-cancer properties. Want to incorporate watercress into your diet? Keep watching for tips and recipes. Watercress has a long history of use. This humble aquatic plant has been a staple in various cultures for centuries, revered not just for its culinary uses, but also for its medicinal properties. From the ancient Greeks to the Romans, watercress has been a part of human history, playing a significant role in both diet and health practices. Ancient Greeks and Romans valued it. They incorporated watercress into their daily lives, not just as a food source, but as a vital component of their herbal medicine. In ancient Greek markets, watercress was a common sight, and Roman herb gardens often featured this versatile plant prominently. They used it for its medicinal properties. Historical texts and manuscripts reveal that watercress was believed to have numerous health benefits. It was often prescribed for ailments ranging from digestive issues to respiratory problems. The ancients were keen observers of nature, and they recognized the healing potential of this green leafy vegetable. They believed it could cure various ailments. Watercress was thought to purify the blood, enhance vitality, and even act as an aphrodisiac. These beliefs were passed down through generations, cementing watercress's reputation as a powerful natural remedy. Modern science supports some of these traditional uses. Today, researchers are delving into the biochemical properties of watercress, uncovering evidence that validates many of the health claims made by our ancestors. Scientific studies have shown that watercress contains a wealth of nutrients and antioxidants that contribute to its health-promoting effects. Studies show that watercress can reduce DNA damage, boost the immune system, and improve exercise performance. These findings are particularly exciting for those looking to enhance their overall health and well-being. The antioxidants in watercress help protect cells from damage, while its rich nutrient profile supports immune function and physical endurance. Research continues to uncover the potential of watercress. Ongoing studies are exploring its role in cancer prevention, cardiovascular health, and even cognitive function. The scientific community is increasingly recognizing watercress as a superfood with a wide range of health benefits. It is a promising food for preventing and managing chronic diseases. Nutritionists and health experts recommend incorporating watercress into a balanced diet to leverage its protective effects against chronic conditions such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. Ready to discover delicious ways to enjoy watercress? Keep watching. From fresh salads to hearty soups, watercress can be a delightful addition to your meals. Stay tuned as we explore various recipes and culinary tips to make the most of this nutritious and versatile plant. Culinary uses of watercress. Watercress is a leafy green that has been used in culinary traditions for centuries. Its unique peppery flavor and high nutritional value make it a favorite among chefs and home cooks alike. Watercress is a versatile ingredient. It can be used in a variety of dishes, from salads to soups and even smoothies. Its versatility is one of the reasons it has remained popular in kitchens around the world. You can enjoy it in many ways. Whether you prefer it raw, cooked, or blended, watercress can enhance the flavor and nutritional profile of your meals. Its slightly spicy taste can add a new dimension to your favorite recipes. Its peppery flavor adds a refreshing kick to dishes. This makes it an excellent addition to salads, where it can stand out among other greens. The slight heat from the watercress can complement a variety of dressings and toppings. Add raw watercress to salads. It pairs wonderfully with other fresh vegetables, adding both flavor and texture. You can mix it with tomatoes, cucumbers, and avocados for a refreshing and nutritious salad. It pairs well with citrus fruits and nuts. The acidity of the citrus fruits and the crunch of the nuts create a delightful contrast with the tender leaves of the watercress. Try combining it with orange slices and walnuts for a unique and tasty salad. You can also blend it into smoothies. Adding watercress to your smoothies is a great way to boost their nutritional content. Its mild peppery taste can be balanced with sweet fruits like bananas and berries. It adds a nutritional boost. Watercress is packed with vitamins and minerals, making your smoothies not only delicious but also incredibly healthy. It's an easy way to incorporate more greens into your diet. Sauté watercress with garlic and olive oil. This simple preparation method brings out the natural flavors of the watercress. The garlic adds a savory depth, while the olive oil provides a rich, smooth texture. This makes a simple and flavorful side dish. It's perfect for pairing with grilled meats or fish, or even as a topping for pasta. The sautéed watercress retains its slight crunch, adding a pleasant texture to your meal. You can also add it to soups and stews. Watercress can be stirred into soups just before serving to preserve its vibrant color and fresh flavor. It works well in both clear broths and creamy soups. It adds a vibrant green color and a peppery bite. This not only enhances the visual appeal of your dish, but also adds a layer of complexity to the flavor. The peppery notes of the watercress can balance the richness of a creamy soup or add a fresh contrast to a hearty stew. Let's explore how to grow your own watercress at home. Growing watercress is relatively easy and can be done in a garden bed or even in a container. With the right conditions, you can have a fresh supply of this nutritious green right at your fingertips. Growing your own watercress. Watercress is easy to grow. You can grow it indoors or outdoors. It needs plenty of moisture and partial shade. You can grow watercress from seeds or cuttings. Plant them in a pot or container. Make sure it has drainage holes. Water the watercress regularly. Keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. Harvest the leaves when they are young and tender. Next, we'll discuss why watercress is a sustainable food choice. Watercress, a sustainable choice. Watercress is a sustainable crop. It requires less water to grow than many other vegetables. It can also help improve water quality. Watercress acts as a natural filter. It absorbs excess nutrients from the water. This helps prevent pollution. Choosing locally grown watercress supports local farmers. It also reduces transportation emissions. Let's recap the key takeaways about this incredible superfood. Embrace the power of watercress. Watercress is a nutritional powerhouse. It is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It offers numerous health benefits. Incorporate watercress into your diet. Enjoy it in salads, smoothies, soups, and more. Experience the taste and health benefits of this amazing green. Want to learn more about healthy eating? Check out our other videos full of ideas and tips on holistic wellness and nutrition. Be sure to subscribe to Holistic Wellness Realm for more tips and tricks for living a holistic life. See you in the next video.